Good job, Wyatt. Where's your cookie? Good job! I don't think there's any more cookie in your hand. I think it's on your shirt. Where's your cookie? It's not in there. I think you already ate that one. You're silly. Get it! It's hard, isn't it? Oh, you got it! Where is it? Uh-oh. Maple's gonna get it. Where is it? Stuck to your hand? Oh, it's in there now. There you go. Mommy got it for you. Now in your mouth. No. Oh, back in the cup. Is that where the food goes? In the cup? We got it for you. Oh, almost got it there. Working on that, eh, Wyatt? Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Down here somewhere? Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Look, there's one in your shirt. Ew. Uh-oh. Your little feet. So cute. Yay!